Hello, 你好. This is Dave from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about our new electric scooter in 2021. This is a totally new design in our company. As you can see, the frame structure is different from models before. Here we have a big space here, and we have dual shock suspensions in the rear. So the most of the loading here. Okay. And on the new scooter City Coco, we have a 3000 watts brushless motor here. And this model will be EEC approved in the future. And the prototype sample here is also on EEC status. So let's turn on the power. Okay, one moment. Let's turn on the power. Here. Okay. The power is on. And on EEC scooter, we have an extra battery, extra switch here for safety. Here, release. Okay. So here on the sample we have a different speed limitation optional here, and on the left hand here we have a horn, turning light, and headlight. And the right hand here we have a key power switch and a speed limitation. Okay. The big brake lever is chrome plated on red color. It's a very beautiful color. Okay, let's get off. Okay. So the battery is inside here. It's detachable for charging. Here. And in the future mass production, we will have a 2 battery pack on the scooter, so the range will be more than 100 kilometers per charge. Okay, let's look at the front. Also, we have 2 dual shock suspensions in the front fork and a big LED headlight. It's very bright here. We also have a passenger seat here and the cargo rack. Customer can choose a big rear box to put the helmet and the charger inside. Okay, here also is a lockable space. In the future, I will do more testing on the speed and also the range. I will do more speed and range test, and I will make videos and upload on our company YouTube channel and also on the Facebook. Okay. Okay, that's all about today's video. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye. Okay. The electric powered scooter running very peacefully. Today on battery type is the battery is not full charged, so I will not do the speed test and also the range test. It's a running display.